fresh mind happy life is coded as H hash 14, M at the rate 17, K hash 33, and U at the rate 17. Similarly, Kashi city of temple, the codes are given. Sarnath belongs to Varanasi, codes are given. One airport in Banaras, the codes are given. He's asking us to find the code for veracity. Now, if you observe, each word has been coded using a letter, a symbol, and a number. Right? Now, if you look at the symbols, there are only two types of symbols. Either we have used a symbol as hash or at the rate. Hash or at the rate. So, I am assuming it should be easy for us to identify the logic behind the usage of symbol. Right? There's only one thing that differentiates the words given here, like fresh mind happy life or Kashi city of temple. So we'll have to kind of identify that. Numbers of course are different, 14, 17, 33, 17 and so on. So we'll have to get that logic behind using numbers also, and of course letters is also to be found. Now if I look at the word fresh, if I look at the word fresh here, right, see what happens. Fresh, the word fresh, I'll tell you how the coding is being done. See, the first letter F is 6th in the English alphabet. The letter H is 8th in the English alphabet. 6 plus 8 results in 14. Similarly, if you look at the word mind, the first letter M is 13th in the English alphabet. The letter D is 4th in the English alphabet. 13 plus 4 results in 17. The word happy, H is 8th, Y is 25. The sum of these two results in 33. And if you look at life, L is 12, E is 5. The sum results in 17. Now, I hope all of you have understood the logic behind using the numbers here. It is nothing but the sum of the first letter and the last letters numerical positions. First letters and last letters numerical positions. Okay. Now that I've understood this, if I attach the symbols, like for example, in 17 and 33, in 17 we have used the symbol at the rate. Sorry, 17, yeah, in both 17s we have used at the rate, luckily. 33 we have used hashtag. 14 we have used hashtag. Observe. Now if you look at this, the words where we have used the symbol hash, there are 5 letters. 5 letters. Here also you see 5 letters. But wherever we have used at the rate, 4 letters. 4 letters. Now, not that every word in the codes here is 5 letters or 4 letters, but then odd number of letters. Odd number of letters results in hash. Even number of letters results in at the rate. Odd number of letters results in hash. Even number of letters results in at the rate. So we know the logic behind the symbol here, right? Odd number of letters, even number of letters. So that's very clear. Now, how do you get the letter? How do you get the letter? Of course, having understood so much, you don't really have to worry about finding out everything, because options will be given and you'll be able to eliminate the options. So for example, if I have to find out the code for veracity, how will you do that? Find out the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. 8 is even. So we have to use the symbol at the rate. And what will be the number? The letter V. V is what? 22. This is 22 in the numerical position. Right? And Y is 25. The sum of these two, 22 and 25, 47. So number will be 47. So I'll check the options. If there's only one option which has got at the rate 47 in the answer, it can be considered as a final answer, correct answer. If there are multiple options, then we'll have to identify the letter as well. Now, how do we get the letter? How do you get the letter? The letter is, has got a very crazy logic behind it. Now, observe the last but one letters of the word. S, N, P, F. You understand? Sorry, focus on the last but one letter. Let me highlight using a different color. S, N, P and F. These are resulting in the letter that is given in the code here. Now if you see S is what letter? 19th letter in the English alphabet. What is, so in the alphabetical order, what is 19th in the reverse order? See, if it's 19th in the actual order, in the alphabetical order. What is 19 in the reverse order? How do you get that? 26 minus 19 plus 1. I have explained this to you in the topic of ranking and ordering, right? How to get the position from the reverse end. And this has been discussed in alphabet topic as well, right? So S is the 19th letter in the English alphabet. What comes in the 19th position from the reverse order? Like for example, if A is 1, Z is 1 from the reverse order. If B is 2, Y is 2 in the reverse order. If C is 3, X is 3 in the reverse order. So if S is 19, what is 19 in the reverse order? 26 minus 19 plus 1. 26 minus 19 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8th letter. What is the 8th letter of English alphabet? H. So for the word fresh, the letter to be used is H. So H hash 14. H hash 14 is the code for fresh. Similarly, if you see N, N is 14th in the order, right? So it will be M in the reverse order. Some people remember this by heart. If you can remember by heart, nothing like it. Otherwise, calculation doesn't take more than 2 seconds, right? P is what? 16th, right? So 26 minus 16 plus 1, 11. 11 is K. K hash 33. F is the 6th letter. So 21st letter will come here. What is 21st letter? U. So U at the rate 17. So this is how you get the complete code. So now if I have to find out the code for veracity, I will consider the letter T. The letter T. T is the 20th letter in the English alphabet. T is the 20th letter in the English alphabet. What is 20th in the reverse order? 20th in the reverse order will be 26 minus 20 plus 1. 7. 7th letter is G. So G comes in this position. So final answer to this question will be G at the rate 14. G at the rate 14. Now that you have understood the complete logic, meaning logic behind the letter, the word and the symbol, you can answer any question here. Anyway, the only question asked to us is code for veracity, which is G at the rate 14. Right? For example, it says, what's the code for, let's say 2. What's the code for 2? How will you do that? TO2, only 2 letters. Just follow the same process, right? T is 20th letter, O is 15th letter, so number should be 35. There are even number of letters, so the code should be at the rate. And last but one. Now, since there are only 2 letters, the last but one letter is T. Yes or no? Second letter from the reverse order is T. What is the code for T? 20. Now 20 in the reverse order will be G. So G at the rate 35. See, G at the rate 35 is given here. That's what we have got here. So this is how it works.